Right now we are standing outside the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh's office here in Jammu. Behind me you can see the Keshav Bhavan. RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat is currently on a 4-day visit to Jammu, and RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat is putting up at Keshav Bhavan. He is holding important meetings with the Sangh leaders from Jammu and Kashmir. He is also going to have meetings with the BJP leaders of Jammu and Kashmir, and the focus is on the Sangh's activities here in Jammu and Kashmir. As per the Sangh, he is seeking feedback from the Sangh functionaries here in Jammu and Kashmir about the activities of the RSS. But sources have told us that Mohan Bhagwat yesterday, while speaking with senior functionaries of the RSS, veteran functionaries of the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, he said that now, after the abrogation of Article 370 and 35A, focus of the Sangh should be on the honorable and dignified return of the displaced Kashmiri Pandits. So clearly, RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat has raised the pitch for the honorable return of the Kashmiri Pandits to their homes in the Kashmir Valley. He has said that other nationalist forces should also contribute in this mission. We spoke to the President of Jammu and Kashmir BJP, Mr. Ravinder Rana. He also said that the government, RSS as well as the BJP are trying their level best to ensure that Kashmiri Pandits are back in their homes in the Kashmir Valley. But he said that right now the priority of the government is to create an conducive atmosphere for the honorable return and rehabilitation of the Kashmiri Pandits in the Kashmir Valley. So series of meetings are taking place here at the Sangh office in Jammu, and RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat is holding important meetings with the Sangh functionaries of Jammu and Kashmir, and there is tight security arrangement also here outside the Sangh office. Multi-tier security arrangements have been made, and the media is barred from entering the Sangh office. A short while ago, we saw senior Sangh leader Indresh Kumar here. We tried to speak to him, but he clearly dodged our questions. So clearly, these are very important meetings that are taking place here at the Sangh office, and Mohan Bhagwat is on a mission to Jammu and Kashmir. And as per the sources, yesterday he has said that focus of the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh should be now on the return of the displaced Kashmiri Pandits. So clearly, RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat has raised the pitch for the honorable return of the Kashmiri Pandits. But since Modi government came to power, various ministers as well as Prime Minister Narendra Modi has many times said that the honorable return of the Kashmiri Pandits is part of the government's agenda. But so far, there has not been any kind of plan which has been put in the public domain. The displaced Kashmiri Pandits are saying that the government must come up with a blueprint. They must hold talks with the representatives of the Kashmiri Pandits, and only then a consensus can be arrived on the return formula. With video journalist Neeraj Kumar, this is Sunil Bhatt reporting from Jammu for India Today.